Welcome back. Governor S.S. Sidhu has exposed polymer industry from India and abroad to emphasize more on effective reuse of plastics, citing environmental concerns. Governor S.S. Sidhu was speaking at the inaugural function of Polymer Processing Society in Donapal.
Delegates from 35 countries have taken part in this annual meeting. This is the second time the meeting is held in India. With 12% annual growth in plastic sector, India would soon have a knowledge center to produce best technical experts for the plastic industry.
There is a phenomenal opportunities here. By 2012, India will be the third largest polymer consuming nation next to US and China. The great growth of Indian plastic industry, our managing committee has decided to set up a knowledge center.
Governor Dr. S.S. Sidhu congratulated the polymer industry for their all-round development. However, Governor Sidhu made an appeal to the industry to bring more innovation for reuse of plastic resources as it has become an environmental hazard.
In fact, plastic waste management is a major global challenge today, and it needs to be addressed imaginatively and effectively. I would urge this August gathering to give their special attention to the issues concerning our precious natural environment.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
Now news in sports. Dempo Sports Club will play their opening game of the AFC Cup 2009 against Al Magad of Syria at Nehru Stadium Fatorda on March 10th, despite the stadium being in pitiable condition.
The Nehru Stadium floodlights are not in working condition, but for the 4 p.m. kickoff, there seems to be no problem for hosting the preliminary round AFC match at Fatorda. The seats are also in need of urgent attention, although often there is only paltry attendance for the games. Dempo recently lost their AFC Champions League playoff in Sharjah and have to be content with playing in the AFC Cup again. Last season, Dempo became the first Indian club to reach the AFC Cup semi-finals. Dempo will also face Al Faisaly of Jordan and Bahrain's Muharrak in their group games. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Panjim Gymkhana were bowled out for a modest 150 runs after having elected to bat against Salgaonkar Cricket Club in the 3-day GCA Super League match at Panjim Gymkhana ground, Kampal on Monday.
Pankaj Wadwekar was the top scorer for Gymkhana with 42 runs that included 5 boundaries. Other notable contributors with the bat were Santosh Shinde 39, Akhil Patil 19, Mullah Mudassar 17 and Shoaib Sheikh 13. Overall, PG lasted for just 62.3 overs at Salgaonkar. Bowlers led by Robin D'Souza 4 for 54 took wickets at regular intervals. Sher Bahadur Yadav claimed 2 wickets. Narayan Kamli, Anil Naik, Shadab Jakati took 1 wicket each. Salgaonkar lost wickets early and went into stumps on the first day at 69 runs for loss of 3 wickets. Vivek Koramkar is batting on 24 and giving him company at the crease is Rahul Keni on 3. Rupesh Sarvankar was dismissed on 26 while Ninad Pavaskar could only make 10 runs before getting out. Santosh Shinde, Akhil Patil and Subodh Chhabria picked up 1 wicket each. Our reporter in Panji, Yashwant Parab.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Sri Lankan cricket team attacked in Pakistan. Players injured. Election Commission declares poll dates. Goa goes to poll on 23rd April. Congress to declare candidates after first week of March. Fiona's boyfriend uploads snaps of Fiona and Scarlett having a sheesh. Salgaonkar bowl out Panjim Gymkhana cheaply. PG strike early. And Dempo Sports Club to kick off AFC Cup action against Syrian club at Nehru Stadium. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.